To Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop restoring media in WhatsApp, step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Step 1. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and log in with your Google account. Make sure it's the same account you have associated with WhatsApp. Step 2. Next, navigate to Google Drive. You can type drive.google.com in the browser's address bar to get there directly. Step 3. Once you're in Google Drive, tap on the three dots in the browser's top right corner. This will open a menu. Select Desktop Site from this menu to switch to the desktop version of Google Drive, as this feature is only accessible on the desktop site. Step 4. Now tap on the gear icon at the top of the Google Drive page. This icon opens up your settings menu, where we'll be able to manage app settings. Step 5. Inside the settings menu, select Manage Apps. This will open a list of all apps connected to your Google Drive account. Step 6. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp Messenger in the list of apps. Once you locate it, tap on the Options drop-down menu next to it and select Disconnect from Drive. By doing this, you're effectively stopping WhatsApp from restoring media files stored in Google Drive. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.